Hello everyone. Let us have a look at the solution of question 3 from Clash of Brain season 2. We will be using a concept that efficiency multiplied by time taken gives us the work completed. By using this concept and the data given in the question, we get the first equation as a plus b plus c into 6 equals to 1 work. Similarly, we get the second equation as a plus b plus c into 2 plus a plus b into 7 equals to 1 work. Now to apply elimination method between equation 1 and equation 2, we multiply equation 2 with 3. This gives us a plus b plus c into 6 plus a plus b into 21 equals to 3 work. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 3. We get a plus b into 21 equals to 2 work. We get the value of a plus b as 2 work by 21. Now put this value in equation 1. We get 2 work by 21 into 6 plus 6c equals to 1 work. When you will solve this, you come to a point where you will get 1c equals to 1 by 14th of the work. This means that c completes 1 by 14th of the work in 1 hour. But the question is that in how many hours c will complete whole work. So just cross multiply 14 with c. You will get it as 14c equals to 1 work. That means c completes 1 work in 14 hours. If you still have any query left, feel free to contact us via aptitude on Instagram.